Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So cheese lovers, this recipe is for you. I am sharing a recipe on cheese balls. So let's get into the video. First, take boiled raw bananas and mash them finely. Then add green chili paste, salt for taste, and pepper powder, and mix everything properly. Here comes my favorite part. Now take a ball on your palm and spread it evenly into a small disc. Now place a cheese cube in the center and bring all the sides together to cover the cheese. And roll it up gently and make a round ball. Next, roll the balls in breadcrumbs to get a crispy layer. Then deep fry the prepared balls into hot oil. Make sure to fry in hot oil, else it will absorb oil. Stir and fry occasionally on medium flame till it turns golden brown in color. And take them off into a plate. And finally, serve them hot. Just look at the cheese oozing out. Do try it out and let us know in the comments. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.